Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a super simple updo for prom and for any occasion really, but because it's prom season I thought I'd do a fun little updo for prom. And sorry about this lighting, you guys. Again, it is really late. I needed to find a time to film my videos. I usually film during the day, but right now it is 6 o'clock and it's very dark here because it's raining. Anyway, so yeah, today I'm going to be doing an easy, fun updo. I did this makeup look for prom in my last video, so you can check that out. I'll leave a link down below. But yeah, so I thought I'd do like a little part 2 to finish it off and do the hair, and you can do this at home, and I promise you it is very easy. So today I'm going to be using this Royale straightener. I raved in my last hair video about their curling iron. And their straightener is just as good. I love their products. They just can't say enough good things about it. And the thing with it is that it's heat, but it's not really heat. Like after you do your hair, you can straighten one piece and then you can touch it right after and it's not hot whatsoever. It's the weirdest and most bizarre thing, but it's very good for your hair and I love it. And the straightener is just really high quality. You can tell, and the clamp is like perfect. You know what I'm talking about, like when you clamp your hair sometimes and it like pulls your hair. This is like ceramic. I'm not gonna touch it right now because it's very hot, but yeah, it is very good. And you can it has like a temperature control, so you can see like however hot you want it or not want it. I usually do it all the way up. I don't know, even though I have fine hair and I feel like my hair would do something with like a lower temperature, I just feel that when you do a higher temperature, your hair does last longer. But that's just my opinion. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how I use this straightener to curl my hair. Now, I know what you're thinking, like, it's very difficult to curl your hair with a straightener. And to be honest, the first time you do it, it is not simple. You really do have to practice it, and I would not recommend doing it on prom day. If you've never done it before, do not do it on your prom day because you will end up so frustrated and your hair will not look good. But unless you're a fast learner. But anyways, besides that. So yeah, I would definitely try this before you do decide to commit to doing this on prom. So anyways, I'm going to take my straightener and I'm going to take, I don't section my hair off like, actually, I'm going to section it off. I lied. So I'm going to just take a section, not really small, and I'm going to put the rest of it up. So you take a strand of hair, like a good size. You don't want it too thin because then I feel like it does scrape your hair too much, like against the straightener. So you take the straightener, you put it like this, then you flip it flat. Make sure the hair is always flat. You flip the straightener until that hair is coming out the bottom again, and then you go all the way down. And you see, it gave a beautiful bouncy curl. I'm gonna show it one more time. So you take a section of your hair, put it flat in the straightener, flip it around the straightener, twist the straightener until that hair is coming back down from the bottom, and then you just curl it a little bit towards the end. See? Another pretty curl. So I'm just gonna finish the rest of this hair. Okay, so now that my hair is curled, it's definitely like more like a barrel curl type of look, and it's very soft and pretty. And I put my Tray 2 hairspray in by Tresemme. And so I always start off with curly hair, even when I do an updo, because I do feel like it does help hold your hairstyle, because if you do have straight hair, it does make it slicker and the bun won't hold as well, the bobby pins won't stay in your hair as well. So I do always recommend when you're doing an updo to do your hair first with a curling iron, or like I just did, a straightener. So now you're just gonna need a whole lot of bobby pins depending on how much hair you have. I don't usually use a ton, but I do like these bobby pins, a secure hold than the Comfort Glide ones. I love these. And you're gonna need a thin rubber band. So first and foremost, we're gonna separate our hair from on both sides, from here to the back of our ears. So it's not that much hair for me on this side, and then same for this side, and just like that. So then you have the rest of your hair like this, and what we're gonna do is you're gonna put this in a ponytail. And go as tight as you can before you make a loop, okay? So I feel like I can go one more time. And now I'm gonna pull my hair from underneath and pull it through and have a little bun like that. See that? Just like that. So then that leaves you with all this hair left over. You see, just a little bit. So you have this bun. You want to take this hair and you're going to split it in a couple pieces, and two, and put this back into the ponytail. Just like that. Same with this side. You want to flip it into a little thing. Take this, put it in back into the ponytail, and separate it out just like that. So you have this cute little bun, and I'm going to take a couple bobby pins just to secure it, just wherever you feel like we'll let it be secure. I always go from underneath, and just like that. So now you are left with this hair up front. I love buns in the back. I think they're super beautiful and pretty, but you know, I also like to have a couple pieces that frame my face. So I'm gonna leave this piece right here, and the rest of this hair I'm gonna take, and I'm gonna take a little bit at the top first, make sure that this piece here stays like that. And I'm gonna take this little section at the top, like I'm gonna be doing a French braid, but I'm not going to, I'm doing a twist. But then as I twist, I grab more hair, just like that. And I don't have much hair on this side, but you'll see. It still has a very pretty effect. So I'm gonna take that and keep twisting it, and I do have pretty long hair, so I feel like this is, I'm just gonna keep twisting it. And I do have pretty long hair, so that doesn't necessarily mean an updo is easier. I almost feel like shorter hair is a bit easier to do, but yeah, so I'm going to finish that. So then I'm going to take it and I'm going to put it around the bun up here. Put it down here, secure it with a bobby pin. Just like that. And I have a little bit of hair left over, but I'm just going to turn it into almost like a fake curl, kind of. Take another bobby pin and secure that little loop in place. Just like that. Then for this side, I am gonna leave a bit of my bangs ow, as I poke myself in the eye. I am gonna leave a little bit of my bangs out. Just like that. And I'm gonna do what I did on the other side I'm gonna do what I did on the other side as well on this side. So I'm gonna start by twisting it, grabbing some hair, making sure I don't grab the bangs. Just like that. And for this side, because I have a little more hair, I'm gonna kind of massage it out a little bit so it's not so tight. And I'm gonna take that and put that across my hair again. Put this underneath as well. Secure it with a bobby pin underneath. And then the same thing goes for this extra hair. And I guess I missed these. It's okay, we'll add it later. And secure that into there. Move this piece and just go. So I'm gonna touch up this little strand right here just so it's a little curlier with the straightener. Just like that. Your bangs. My bangs are still pretty curly. And yeah, so there you have it. I just think this is a super simple, flattering hairstyle that I feel like most people with even short hair could do this. It's very simple, super easy. It looks intimidating, but you just have to really practice with it. And I just like the look of a super low, big bun. I feel like, you know, anyone could just do this with their hair type. And I love it. I feel like this is the perfect look for prom. I feel like, you know, there's only a few occasions in life that you can really do a fun updo with. And I feel like prom is one of them. And I really wish, going back in time, you know, because my prom was a few years ago, that I would have done an updo then. And I don't know, I just feel like it's super simple. You know, you don't have to, it doesn't have to be this elaborate updo. I feel like you saw, it took me 5 minutes, and you know, it's just a messy look. You know, it's fun, and I feel like it'll look great with any kind of dress. This makeup look is super great as well if you want to do something bold and pretty and smoky. And I just, you know, I think prom is so much fun. And I you know, I do some of my girlfriends' hair and makeup for prom, and I do now like younger generations prom because they know that how much I like to do hair and makeup in. So I've done a bunch of updos for people, and they're always happy with it. You know, it's nothing intricate, and they're always surprised that it only takes me like 10 minutes to do. But you know, there's just so many easy ways to do things. You don't have to be fussy about it, and yeah, just take some practice. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little video, and I hope you guys really, you know, if you guys do this look, if you do this updo, please tag me in your pictures or just let me know how it goes, and I'd love to see if you guys recreated that. And so yeah, if you guys want to check out this makeup look, I will leave the link down below. And yeah, thanks so much for watching, you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.